And the race is on. Field runner from the outside. Emergency call. Military Might Danori inside. Thunderbird. And Promise is the early trailer. Emergency call. Field runner fighting it out for the lead. Thunderbird is racing third by Sam Trilangs. Military Might and Promise is running at the tail of the field. Emergency call by ahead. Field runner from the outside. Thunderbird is watching in third by Sam Trilangs. Military Might and Promise still running at the tail of the field. Emergency call. Field runner rushing about the outside. Thunderbird closing in third. Military Might and Promise still running at the tail of the field as they race the final corner. Field runner by ahead. Emergency call down on the inside. Thunderbird on the further outside is Military Might. Field runner, emergency call. Thunderbird rushing about the outside. But still field runner, Thunderbird, Military Might, emergency call. Thunderbird, Military Might on the outside. And finally, Thunderbird, the horse of Mr. Muhammad Nur Nurdin. Second, Military Might. Field runner, emergency call, and Promise comes last.